Reading the label. The label on pesticides is extremely important. It has all types of good information, just like the safety data sheet. Prior to mixing your pesticides, fungicides, algicides, and herbicides up, be sure and read the label. Be sure you follow its directions about what type of personal protective equipment to wear, how much to use, what its limitations are, also how to dispose of the empty container when you are done. Following the label instructions is prerequisite to safety and keeping you safe. Remember, even small amounts of pesticides, herbicides, algicides, fungicides, they can harm you if you use them incorrectly. The suffix "cide," C-I-D-E, is Latin, and it means will cause death, the desired effect for pests. So remember, pesticides are dangerous, even to you, if they're used incorrectly.